In this video, we're going to be talking about how to delete the other storage on iPhone. So let's just get straight into the video. This is going to be the most truthful video you're going to be watching on the internet, so watch it till the end. So you cannot directly delete this category with a single button, but you can significantly reduce its size by following the steps that I'm about to mention. So the first is going to be clearing Safari cache. Simply go ahead and head into your settings and locate applications right over here. Once you've done that, simply look for Safari. And once you've found Safari, click on that and then scroll all the way down until you find clear history and website data and go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your general settings, head into iPhone storage. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and locate applications and start offloading them. So simply go ahead and offload the app, reinstall it. Same with Facebook, same with Instagram, and so on. Once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and clear a lot of cache data that is also going to be stored on the other tab. And now what you want to do is simply go ahead and delete your messages tab. So simply go ahead and open your iPhone storage again, look for the messages. And once you simply go ahead and find that, simply go ahead and head into top conversations and you can delete all these. But as you saw, I have 0 KB of that. Now, all you need to do is restart your phone and that is it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further